my channel. So today I'm going to be making a 5-ingredient Chana chaat. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to add a can of chickpeas. These are pre-boiled potatoes, which I have cut in cubes. Half an onion cut in strips. So I'm adding Greek style yogurt, but you can use plain or any other style of yogurt. So I'm going to add some chaat masala, which I am going to use the chunky chaat. So about half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to mix this up. This is nicely now mixed in. Hope you enjoyed this really quick 5-ingredient recipe, and thanks guys for watching.